Master Ball? Master Ball? What the
Bro, that's a nice start.
Seth isn't even here. She doesn't even know she starts with the f***ing Master Ball. Forsaken City.
The spirit damage increased to minus.
Dog, I thought I was gonna win, but I don't think I'm winning, bro. I don't think I win.
Noko is getting in so many checks. Holy
Bro,
shit.
but I have 2 items, bro! I have 2 items! Out of...
Bro, my starter map is literally the map with the least. Seth.
If you,
Sorry, down.
it should be in like the options.
Hey, guys.
I like crypt values.
Cryptic values.
Power star to deer.
Hey, Jeffrey, you know how you can, like, get phone calls?
Checks. Now I have to check every single blind of blood, shrine of blood.
This is gonna help me out. It's gonna kill myself, bro.
Bro, why?
I got a star. Okay,
I
thanks.
can't use the main, like, nothing. It's nothing. I should gamble, bro. My bad.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, keep gambling.
Wait, do I have that link? I think I do.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I do.
yeah,
Yes,
I do.
I slipped on the ice. Yeah, my bad, bro. How are they? How? How? I hate this penguin.
Oh, well.
Are you?
Oh
Oh
my
my
fucking
god.
Deer.
It's a penguin slide. If I wasn't rushed, I would be fine.
Bro, dear, I think I'm gonna go bald before you before I
Oh my
finish it.
flower.
No. I got it. I got this. This time. This is the one. This is.
Oh my.
Oh my god, bro.
You.
I.
I'm Karina, son. I'm Karina.
All right.
Yeah,
suck
I
it up.
just can't get there,
I'm going up,
bro.
up, up.
Take it for the cutscene that I can't skip. Wait, I think I can do the hunter.
All right.
Loki.
You will.
This is a. Oh my god, deer.
I just started my run, bro.
Wait,
Dear, don't you
alright.
fucking dare tell me you're gonna die again, bro.
I'm gonna die again.
Wait.
That was
Maybe.
close. Good thing there was no cliff though, so it didn't really matter.
Hey, Minus.
Hello.
Did I mention that I'm at the point where I've never played this game before? Like
You've never played Mario 64
You've
before.
never played
of
Mario
course.
64 and you
Of
want to play
course.
that, bro.
There before, but that's just more because I
Oh my
don't know
God.
how the relation works.
No, I'm gonna die.
No!
Bro.
I almost hit the jackpot, bro.
I just hit the jackpot.
No, I...
Oh, like I
I know,
do. Oh my god, bro. Guys,
Ow.
guys, I'm risking.
Thank
The
you,
only thing I can do is
goddamn.
the Dragon Slayer, so I need to.
It's shift.
Oh, I forgot they can climb
if
this.
I died, you guys would have known. You guys would have known.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
No, you're not. You're
Yeah,
lying.
yeah, I'm dead.
Come, bro. Short time.
I'm dead. Wait, I'm gonna die
you're lying,
in
bro.
one.
No.
Oh, I can't kill it. Okay.
The
so I'm wasting my
the
time
lizard
trying to
is
kill
taking
that.
me away. Oh, yeah, I'm dead.
Oh my
Okay,
god,
yeah.
bro. Mid boss fight,
It
you doing
wasn't
this to me?
Bro,
It
I
wasn't
told
me,
you.
it
I
wasn't
got
me
guys.
that time.
I told you. I need to get the Dragon
What'd you
Slayer,
die
bro.
to? A pink lizard?
Yep.
That I for
Just hit the
that.
jackpot!
I just hit the jackpot.
I
Yeah.
hate
Yep,
mechanics!
it's Deer's
yes,
fault.
it does! It's
Then why did you pick the
fault.
game? Why did you pick the game?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Dude, I was so close to being the first base, and now I can restart from the beginning again.
I'm not playing. I'm not playing, bro.
Yeah, I'm not
I am
playing too,
not
bro.
Playing.
I'm not playing
I'm
too, bro.
Wait, big
Alright,
guy,
see you guys
come here, big
tomorrow.
guy.
Goodbye.
Bye, gamer.
Bye bye. What do you mean gamer, bro?
I call everyone gamer, bro.
Bye gamer. What?
Yeah, bye gamer.
Okay, bro. Alright, guys. Bye bye.
Choose this.
Alright. Here we go. Here's gonna continue right now, so yeah. I can just come through. Oh my god. Oh no, it activated. Oh no. Alright, wait, that's good, that's good. You shouldn't be attacking me. Daddy long legs? Hello? Where is that guy? Bro, where are we? Wait, alarm? What does that mean? Is it like Vulture? Yeah, that might be Vulture. I think it's this way. Garbage waste is a shoreline. Alright, that's cool. Hey, we'll unlock that? Jeffrey, oh my god. Yo, Jeffrey, I swear if you're gonna die right now. Oh, I think I know where we are. Yeah, this is bad. Oh my god, that was peak. I just hope it's unlocked. No, wait. Are we stuck? Are we like dead? I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Oh, this is great, bro. This is great, really good. Bro, it feels like I'm going in circles. But I think this is the good way. I lucky think this is the good way. Wait, I think I was here before? Oh, no, I was not. Oh, yeah, here are the scavengers. Don't shoot me, please. Scavengers, don't shoot me. Oh my god, he shot me, bro. What is that snipe, though? Alright, wait, let me use the passage. Let me use the passage. Farm race? No, bro. Outskirts? Hell yeah. Oh my god, bro. I'm still here. What? How does that work? Bro. I personally don't think I was going the way I wanted to go. Because I was meant to go to chimney. Are we? He doesn't want me. Alright. Let me go here, bro. Oh my god. I need to go this way, bro. Because I think... Oh, we can just skip it. Oh, I forgot about this guy. Let me go! At least the red centipede is not there. Oh yeah, it is here. Hello, bro. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna do this. Oh shoot. Let me just do this. Yep. Hello, bats. You don't need to be scared. You don't need to be afraid of something. I know this is a mimic pole too. Let me just eat one of those. Hello, greenie. Oh. Oh, you got a little dance there. Yes, it's unlocked. Thank you, Speed. Thank you. Thank you, Speed. Oh my god, wait. I think I know the way. Hello? Do you want me? Come get me, bro. Oh yeah. Goodbye. I think it was down. I think it was right. Wait. I'm improvising. Oh my god. I'm improvising, right? I think it was this way. It was like only right. And now I think it was like down here. Oh my god. What? He was camping there. Oh, the second one. Bro. Alright, that's not a big problem, you know. I could just go back there, yeah. Good. Oh, should we go down, right? Oh, yeah, there's the big boy. Am I immune to swimming? I don't think I am. Oh, yeah, I remember this, bro. I was always drowning here. I'm stuck. Hello? I knew I fell there one. Oh my god, that was... Alright! There's some collectible, bro. Should I collect it, though? I think I still need to go there, so yeah, I'm gonna collect it. Lunar coin? Wait, that's I forgot. He doesn't need that. Or do he? What a skip. Bro, it's not a skip at all. I'm playing Rain World, and there is Mike playing Terraria. And there is Jack playing Rain World. Wait, that's me. Oh shoot, I messed up. Oh, I know there's the mimic pole. I need to go like carefully, I think. Wait, yeah. Because there's this big guy. Yeah, I know that. Oh no, wait, this hard time. Wait, I know there is shelter right there. Like, right there, bro. I have it unlocked. Wait, I can actually finish this game. Hold on. I know it's, yeah, right here. But they are the black salamanders. I know that. Oh, this is drainage system. This is filtration. Wait, is it always unlocked? I guess. What am I even talking about? Passage token. The pilgrim. Thank you. Thank you, Minus, for this grateful thing. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Alright, it's time to lock in, bro. Okay. I think I should go down. I think it's like here.
It's like here. It's like here. It's like here.
Oh, I went bad way. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Why is he going there? Holy clutch. I don't know. I went the wrong way again. I'm cooked, bro. Oh yeah, it's actually here. Let's go. We got it. Yeah, I got the mark. Because I'm X. I'm X extentation, bro. Should I? George.
I swear I'm gonna clap your cheeks, bro.
Cover. Let me take a cover. Wait, what? What? What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Was that like black figure of me? We're back. We got it again. I have a better song, bro. Jeffrey! I swear to God, bro! I'm gonna smash your... This is eatable. Is something else eatable here? Is this eatable? No, this is the granite. Fun, aggressive, classical music. Oh yeah, bro. Let's go. No, not this one, bro. Oh yeah, this one, bro. No! This is called clip farm, guys. I'm only dying because I'm clip farming, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Help me! Oh my god. This is the run, bro. This is the run. We go, bro. They're so scary, bro. Come on. Hold. Wait, oh my god, wait, it lagged, bro, it lagged. Wait, it lagged because it gave everyone an item. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. GG's. But we're still gonna finish this, bro. Alright, bro. Am I second? I think I'm second, right? There she is. Hello. There it is. Come on. Come on. We are officially in. Here we go, bro. We got it, bro. We got it. We got it. We got it. Look at this dude, bro. GG's. This is fire, bro. And that's Rain World, guys. That's Rain World. Damn.